and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to a night of elegance, mystery, and most importantly, friendship. Tonight we gather under the enchanting theme of Spring Masquerade's blooming friendship and transformation.